In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a world in Fortnite LEGO. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by obviously making sure that you've selected LEGO Fortnite, and then click on Select World. There are obviously available worlds, but you're going to click on Create New World. You're then going to click on a slot, and you're going to have a bunch of options available to you. You can change the cover image, you can change the game mode from survival, sandbox, and you can also add different seeds depending on if you actually have one in mind. You can also change whether there's enemies, hunger, temperature, stamina, elimination, dropping inventory, friendly creatures, and villagers. But once you have all of the settings you'd like, you're just going to click Start, and it's going to create the world. Now, depending on the settings you've used, it shouldn't really take that long, but